What is the healthiest way to cook sweet potatoes? Is it A, boiling, B, steaming, or is it C, baking? What do you think? Which of these three cooking methods is the healthiest way to cook sweet potatoes? Before I give you the answer, why don't you write down your answer in the comments section? Here's the answer according to this study, where they tested how various cooking methods affected the antioxidant power and the phytochemical levels in cooked sweet potatoes. So, in terms of retention of health promoting phytochemicals and antioxidant capacity, roasting or baking is the least ideal, whilst boiling and steaming are much better. With boiling the best choice according to this study if you want to have the greatest retention of phytochemicals and antioxidant power when it comes to cooking sweet potatoes. I hope you have found this episode of the Habits Pharmacy Kitchen useful. The choices that we make in the kitchen, our eating habits, can be powerful medicine to help us prevent and combat many lifestyle related chronic diseases. So let our eating habits be our medicine. Let our kitchens be our pharmacies.